everybody who came and showed out in order to give dawah to our non-Muslim friends of other faiths. This is Dar Al-Hijrah's annual open house, and honestly one of the biggest events that we have here. And so to see so many people rally behind this initiative, it means a lot, I'm sure, not just to me, to the entire outreach department, as well as just to Dar Al-Hijrah in general.
Let's see, you started preparing for this, what? It was 3 weeks, what was it, like a
3
month?
months ago.
It was more. We started in January.
Of-
Actually, we started last year
It's
because
full of people outside, but not in the court area.
And the prayer times they come anyway.
Yeah, the masjid is full outside. I'm saying this because that's from the previous years.
because we had already laid the groundwork for how we wanted to change things up last year when I became Thoreya's number 2. And then from there, we were able to expand it so much, and subhanAllah, it grew exponentially. Like, for example, we were able to integrate the patio with the tours, and that honestly opened up the entire masjid so that we were able to show everything instead of just, we have a courtyard and we have a lecture.
We did our part in reaching out to these beautiful people who live around us, but they have no idea what Islam is, who Allah is, and what do we worship. We follow the sunnah of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and one of his saying is, smile because it is a sadaqah. So give. Smile is a sadaqah. It's giving.
Two lines, please. Ashwak here.
What was the hardest thing to make work?
I would say the hardest thing to make work probably would be the exponential growth. We had grown by maybe 10 to 15 volunteers on the spreadsheet alone. But then this year, I don't know what happened. People must really believe in our mission, alhamdulillah, the mission of doing dawah. We had over 115 people sign up just on that spreadsheet. And then we ended up having massive growth with the display tables to the point where honestly we didn't know where to put them all at one point. So again, going back, I'd have to say just the amount of growth. It's become abundantly clear, at least after this year, people want this.
My favorite part is spreading some dawah and getting to see all the setups of the different countries.
My favorite part is the synchrony, going off of what she said, but seeing how we all have similar things on our tables. Doesn't matter where we are in the world, we all have a similar common tongue, common taste.
There's always a shock on their face. I think they don't expect to just look so beautiful and like themselves. Sometimes people think that they'll look different once they put it on, but it makes their face stand out.
For me, I like my kahawa, which is coffee, Somali coffee, but I don't know that what she
I would
likes.
love to make them welcome people outside of to taste it, to see our tradition.
And I grew up around Dar Al-Hijrah. I met great friends at Dar Al-Hijrah. I'm here for the Taste of Islam event, which is a beautiful event, happens every year. I love meeting people from all over the world and share the art of calligraphy with them.
From different walks of the world. I'm introducing the non-Muslim to the Muslim world, tell them about Islam.
I love the sense of community, a taste of Islam.
To sit here to explain to the people who are interested to know about Islam in Iran.
Just their information about each. And we have some prizes. We have stickers and candy for the right age.
Consider yourself as an ambassador. So your action, your smile, your move, whatever you say, it will reflect to the people who are coming.
It's the whole organization.
It's literally the entire masjid. People want to give dawah. They want to learn, they want to grow, they want to show this is who we are. I guess next year the real question is, where are we going to fit them? Because I'm trying to figure that out now and I don't have a clue.